Have you ever looked at a family SUV and felt a genuine shiver down your spine? Welcome back to Lux's Drive, where we get behind the wheel of the world's most fascinating cars. Today, we are looking at something that completely shatters the mold of the traditional, boring grocery getter. This is the 2026 BMW X7, and as you can clearly see, it looks less like a vehicle for the school run and more like a stealth bomber built for the road. We are going to explore every inch of this dark, brooding masterpiece to see if it drives as aggressively as it looks, and more importantly, if it actually makes sense for you and your family. Let us start by just taking a moment to absorb the sheer presence of this machine. Look at this incredible matte black finish. It does not just reflect the light, it seems to absorb it, giving the entire SUV a shadowy, mysterious vibe that you almost never see straight from a factory. It is the kind of paint job that makes you want to reach out and touch it, just to feel that smooth satin texture. When you walk up to this car in a parking lot, it does not just sit there, it looms. It commands attention without having to shout with bright colors or excessive chrome. Everything here is blacked out, purposeful, and incredibly intimidating. Moving to the front, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the massive kidney grille on the front of this X7. BMW has been pushing the boundaries with their grille designs for a few years now, and on this 2026 model, they have fully leaned into the aggression. The vertical slats are thick, dark, and imposing, flanked by these incredibly sharp split-level headlights. The top section features these piercing, horizontal LED daytime running lights that look like the narrowed eyes of a predator, while the actual main headlights are hidden away lower down in the bumper. Below that, the lower fascia is a complex network of sharp angles, deep air intakes, and a prominent front splitter that looks like it belongs on a track car, not a seven-seater SUV. As we move down the side profile, the sheer scale of the X7 becomes apparent, but it does not look bulky. The body lines are tight and muscular, pulling the visual weight of the car down toward the road. And then you get to the wheels. These are absolutely enormous, multi-spoke black alloy wheels wrapped in incredibly thin, low-profile tires. They fill the wheel arches perfectly, giving the X7 a planted, aggressive stance that makes it look like it is hugging the pavement. You can just barely see the heavy-duty brake calipers hiding behind those dark spokes, hinting at the serious stopping power required to bring this heavy machine to a halt. The side skirts are deep and sculpted, continuing that sporty, aerodynamic theme from the front bumper all the way to the back. To really appreciate what BMW has done here with the 2026 model, we need to look back at the legacy of the X7. When the X7 first debuted a few years ago, it was BMW's long-awaited answer to the full-size luxury SUV market. It was big, it was incredibly comfortable, and it was very luxurious, but some enthusiasts felt it was perhaps a little too soft. It felt more like a limousine than a true ultimate driving machine. It was a fantastic family hauler, but it lacked that raw, visceral edge that people expect when they see the BMW badge. Over the years, BMW has listened to that feedback. They have slowly been injecting more attitude into the X7, tightening up the suspension, sharpening the steering, and offering more powerful engine options. This 2026 version feels like the ultimate culmination of that evolution. It has taken the incredible comfort and space of the original X7 and wrapped it in a package that is undeniably aggressive and sporty. It fixes the old complaint that big SUVs have to be boring. This car proves that you can have room for 7 people, a massive trunk, and all the luxury features in the world, without having to sacrifice your soul to a boring minivan design. It stays true to its heritage of being a flagship luxury vehicle, but it brings back the driver-focused excitement that makes a BMW special. It is a very difficult balancing act, but looking at this matte black beast, it seems they have pulled it off beautifully. Now, let us imagine opening these heavy, solid doors and stepping inside. The contrast between the dark, brooding exterior and the welcoming, luxurious interior is striking. You are immediately greeted by the smell of rich, premium leather and the soft glow of customizable ambient lighting that wraps around the dashboard and doors. BMW's massive curved display dominates the dashboard, combining the driver's instrument cluster and the main infotainment screen into one seamless, beautiful piece of glass. It looks incredibly futuristic, but more importantly, it is very easy to use. The menus are clear, the touch response is instant, and even if you are not a tech expert, you will feel comfortable navigating the system within minutes. But the real magic of the X7 interior is how it treats its passengers. This is not just a car for the driver, it is a first-class lounge for everyone on board. The front seats are like plush armchairs, offering heating, cooling, and massage functions to melt away the stress of a long journey. In the second row, you have miles of legroom, and the seats can recline and slide just like the ones in the front. Even the third row, which is usually a penalty box in most SUVs, is genuinely spacious enough for adults to sit comfortably on shorter trips, and perfect for kids on long road trips. There are USB ports everywhere, climate controls for every zone, and enough cup holders to keep a small army hydrated. It is the ultimate family road trip machine. Underneath that massive, sculpted hood lies the beating heart of this monster. While BMW offers a few different engines for the X7, a vehicle that looks this aggressive demands the top-tier powertrain. We are talking about a brilliantly engineered, twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Without getting bogged down in overly complicated engineering terms, what you need to know is that this engine produces a massive amount of horsepower and torque. Think of horsepower as how fast you can hit a top speed, and torque as the brute strength that pushes you back into your seat when you step on the gas pedal. This X7 has enough of both to make a vehicle that weighs over 5,000 pounds move like a lightweight sports car. When you put your foot down, the response is immediate and thrilling. The power is sent to all four wheels through an incredibly smart all-wheel drive system, meaning you get perfect traction whether it is raining, snowing, or perfectly dry. The transmission shifts gears so smoothly and quickly that you barely even notice it happening. It just delivers a relentless, surging wave of power that makes merging onto the highway or passing slower traffic completely effortless. It is honestly a little bit mind-bending to experience this level of speed and acceleration in a vehicle that is large enough to carry your entire family and all of their luggage. But straight-line speed is only half the story. How does this massive SUV actually feel when you turn the steering wheel? This is where BMW's engineering magic really shines. Despite its size and weight, the 2026 X7 feels surprisingly nimble on its feet. The steering wheel has a wonderful, solid weight to it. It does not feel light and disconnected like a video game controller. It gives you real feedback about what the front tires are doing. When you take a corner, the advanced air suspension system works overtime to keep the body of the car flat and stable. You do not get that scary, tipping sensation that you often feel in older, softer SUVs. It feels planted, secure, and incredibly confident. And yet, despite this sporty handling and those massive wheels with thin tires, the ride quality is absolutely sublime. You would expect a car that looks this aggressive to crash and bang over potholes, but it simply glides over them. The suspension absorbs the bumps and imperfections of the road before they ever reach the cabin. It is a beautifully isolated experience. You can cruise down the highway at high speeds, and the cabin remains whisper quiet. You do not hear the wind rushing by, and you barely hear the roar of the tires. It is just you, your family, and whatever music you choose to play through the incredible surround sound system. It is a true luxury experience from behind the wheel. I want to pause for a second and ask you a question. Think about your current daily driver. When you walk away from it in the parking lot, do you ever turn around just to look at it one more time? If you do not, you are missing out on one of the best parts of owning a great car. This X7 is absolutely a car you will look back at. It has that magnetic pull. I know many of you watching are parents who feel like you had to give up your cool, fun cars when the kids came along. You traded the sports coupe for a sensible crossover. Does seeing a family vehicle with this much attitude make you feel like you can finally have the best of both worlds? Let me know down in the comments, because I really think this car bridges that gap perfectly. Now, we have to be completely honest and talk about the reality of owning a vehicle like this. As amazing as the 2026 X7 is, it is not for the faint of heart when it comes to running costs. That glorious, powerful V8 engine is incredibly thirsty. If you have a heavy foot and enjoy feeling that acceleration, You are going to become very good friends with the attendants at your local gas station. Fuel economy is not this car's strong suit. Furthermore, those massive, beautiful wheels come with a hidden cost. Replacing those huge, low-profile tires is going to be a significant expense, and because of the aggressive suspension setup, they might wear out faster than the tires on a standard family minivan. You also have to consider the sheer physical size of this machine. While the cameras and parking sensors are fantastic and make maneuvering much easier, there is no escaping the fact that this is a very large vehicle. Navigating tight underground parking garages or squeezing into small spaces at the grocery store can be a stressful experience. You will find yourself parking at the very back of the lot just to avoid door dings on that beautiful matte black paint. And speaking of the paint, matte finishes require special care. You cannot just run this through a cheap automatic car wash with harsh brushes. It requires gentle hand washing and specific cleaning products to maintain that perfect, shadowy look. It is a labor of love. But let us be real for a moment. If you are seriously considering buying a flagship luxury SUV like this, you probably already know that it comes with premium running costs. You are not buying this to save money on gas. You are buying it for the experience, the status, and the incredible way it makes you feel. For those of you who have owned large luxury vehicles before, how do you handle the day-to-day practicality? Do the amazing road trips and the sheer comfort outweigh the hassle of parking a land yacht? I always love hearing your real-world stories, so please share your experiences with us. It helps everyone in the community make better decisions. So what is the final honest verdict on the 2026 BMW X7? Who is this car actually for? If you are someone who just wants a simple, cheap, and invisible way to get your kids to soccer practice, this is absolutely not the car for you. It is too loud visually, too expensive to run, and frankly, it is overkill for simple errands. You should look elsewhere, perhaps at a more standard, hybrid family crossover. But if you are someone who refuses to compromise, if you want the space and luxury of a massive family hauler, but you still crave the aggressive looks and thrilling performance of a sports car, this X7 is in a league of its own. It is a statement piece. It is a vehicle that announces your arrival before you even step out of the door. It manages to be a comfortable, quiet sanctuary for your family on the inside, while looking like an absolute menace on the outside. It is a brilliant, beautiful contradiction. Thank you so much for joining me today on Lux's Drive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the dark side of family luxury, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming reviews. We have some incredible cars lined up for you. Until next time, remember that growing up and having a family does not mean your driveway has to be boring.